Hi, everyone. Welcome to Conversations with your Nashville Realtor. I am Meredith Smith, your Nashville Realtor, and I wanted to pop on real quick to talk about open houses. And I have many clients that are in different stages of the buying process. And a way to really see what's out there in the market is to visit open houses. And I have many that say, Meredith, I don't want to go to an open house without you. I've got to sign in. It's too much pressure. I put my information down and then the agent starts calling me nonstop. So what I do and my approach to open houses is this. So I get your area, and then on Friday, so I'm getting ready to do my lists right now to my clients, I send out open house lists. And what that gives you is a link to everything that's open in the area that you're looking at for the weekend. And when you go to these open houses, so you don't need me with you, you can go ahead and visit these homes in between the times that they're open. And when you are asked to sign in, you just say, I'm working with Meredith, or you can go ahead and just put my name down. So if the agent wants to follow up, they can follow up with me and I can let them know if you're interested in the home or not. So it just takes the stress away from visiting an open house without an agent. So you can really start to look, see what's available, see what area of town you want to be in, and just start to get comfortable with the market and the process. If you would like to receive an open house list from me every Friday from here until you're ready to buy or not, I'm happy to provide that service. Go ahead and reach out. Make it a great day.